So, hello, karon is mag-present ko sa kuan Java code. So, mo din ni siya. So, good. So, let's start. My name is Francis Dave Cañete. Kani nga Java program takes the user age as input and determines whether the user is eligible to vote based on their age. It also classifies the user into different age group like child or adult and asks for input repeatedly until valid data is provided. The program uses a scanner to collect input and includes check for invalid input. So, let's start sa to ang first line, which is import Java util scanner. So, kana siya is imports the scanner class, which allow the program to get user input from the console. Na siya. So, next is kaning public class o public static void. So, kani sila duha is dili jud ni mawala sa tuang Java code. Perminti ni siya naa kay ug wala ni siya dili ta makasugod sa tuang Java code. Mao man jud ni ang sinugdanan sa Java. So, kabalo na jud ta na kung magtuon tag Java dapat kabalo ta ani nila duha. So, next is kining scanner equal new scanner system in. Kana siya is kana nga line is ga-create a new scanner object named scanner, which will read input from the user. Sunod is kaning while true. So, dire mag-start an infinite loop nga mag-run indefinitely until ang user provide og valid input or ang program is manually stop. Muna siya. Next is next line system.out.print. So, kani siya is print the prompt. So, enter your age to the console asking the user to put their age. So, kining next line ta. So, this is a nested loop na i-check if input provided by the user is an integer. If kung dili is magpadayon ra og run ang loop. So, sunod is kining system.out.println kana siya. So, if ang user doesn't enter a valid integer, so kani siya nga line is mo print ni siya an error message mo siya, invalid input, please enter a valid number. Mo print ni siya kung mo input ka og invalid input. So, next is kaning scanner.next. So, this scanner.next is read the invalid input like a letter and discards it. So, allowing the program to wait for the user to enter a new value. So, next, system.out.println. So, maragya po ni siya to, no? System.out.print. So, after aning error message, so kani siya nga prompt the user again to enter their age. So, enter na pud ka og age dire. Then next is kaning int age, kani siya nga line. So once ang input is valid, it is stored in variable age as an integer. So ma-store sa variable ang age as an integer. So next line kani. So kani siya is na-check if ang user age is 18 or mas taas pa, which is legal na siya sa voting age in many places. So next system is kani gihapon system that out that print ln. So if ang user is 18 pataas, so kani siya nga message is ma-printed. So indicating they can vote. Mo ni, you are eligible to vote. Ma-print ni siya kung ang user is 18 pataas. So else kani sila duha, else og system that out that print kana siya if ang user is under 18, so kani siya nga message, you are not eligible to vote is ma-print. So nagaingon na nga they are not eligible to vote. Dili kay under 18 pa ka. So next line kini. So kani siya nga condition is na-check if ang user age is between 0 and 12. So categorizing them as a child. Next is kani system that out that print ln. So if ang user is child, so mag-print ni siya age group child. So mo na siya. So ang uban code ani the rest of the code likely continue with more condition or loops to handle other age group, teens, adult, etc. But this is the basic structure. So mara to no. So kani nga program demonstrate a simple way to interact with the user, validate input and make decisions based on the input provided. So it help user understand basic concept in Java like input handling loops, conditional statement, and error checking. Error checking katong pag mag-input ka og invalid is mag-ingon siya og please try again. Nato pag i-run, so i-try na to run no. Kani ako ang code. So try na ko to run. So enter your age. So if mag-input ka og kanang letter is mingon siya og invalid input. Please enter a valid number. So dapat ang imong input is number. So ang edad nako is 18. So mao na siya ang mo gawas. You are eligible to vote. So maka-vote nako. Age group adult. So next is kaning do you want to continue? Kung kani siya of if mag-input lang ka og letter nga dapat yes or no ra ang imuhang i-type is dili gyapon invalid gyapon na siya. Dapat yes or no ra jud ang imuhang input. Bisan pag number na dili na siya magpadayon. Please try again lang gyapon na. Or kana special character sample kana please try again lang gyapon na siya. Dapat yes or no. So no at ibutang. So maro to. So CLS na to na siya para ma-clear na, para hinlo. So, Maroto, and thank you.